betrayal from someone close. You saw the signs, but stayed loyal too long. This is how people with good hearts get burned. They tried to break you by using what made you powerful, pretending they needed you while secretly resenting you. Betrayal don't come from enemies. It comes from the ones you break bread with. You knew something was off, but stayed loyal. That's where you messed up. Loyalty don't mean nothing to the disloyal. They watched you bleed and said nothing. They knew the knife was coming but kept quiet. The truth is, they hated your strength, but they needed it. They used you while they smiled in your face. But here's what they didn't know. You were watching too. Quiet. Patient. Collecting everything they thought you missed. Now you don't seek revenge. You just became everything they can't touch. That's how you win.